morning, my fellow Americans. Or should I say, my Parisians, since we're in Paris. You know, that was better in my head. Let's forget I said that. I woke up to my mom asking if I want to go to the store, and I'm still kind of tired, but I'm gonna be going to the store because tonight, like how last night my aunt and her wife made us dinner, we're gonna make them dinner. So how do we like the fit? Oh, hold on, I need to show my shoes. Oh, you can barely see them. It's my Shocks. Like my Shocks. So I haven't eaten breakfast and got to the store and these donuts are calling my name. I want one of those, and one of those. Alright guys, so we made our decision. These two are original glazes and this is some kind of custard thing, and then this is the three I already showed you. Alright, so looky at what we just found. We found croissants in a can. Now I know I'm not making it from scratch or anything, but you guys have already seen that as long as I do the challenge, I don't care how I do it, but I found croissants. So I'm just gonna bake these. And I still completed the challenge because I made them. All right, so we're back from the store and I'm excited to eat my donuts because I am starving. Which one do I want to try first? Probably the Biscoff one.
That's good.
That is pretty good. I wonder what these are. It's like white chocolate chunks. Yeah, they're pretty good too. I don't remember exactly what this is, but it said cocoa on it, so we'll see. That's pretty good. It has a chocolate filling inside, but it has like a nutty taste to it as well. It's pretty good, actually. And then this one's just a strawberry filling one with like powdered sugar on top. The basic one, but strawberry is always good, so. Like I said, strawberry is always good, but there's not as much filling in this as I thought it'd be, considering that was the main selling point. And then there's this one, where it looks like a little frowny face. Let's give it a try. You know, it's more of like a dark chocolate than I thought it'd be. I personally don't really like dark chocolate, but this isn't bad. Again, there's just not much filling inside.
While we were out at the store, I remembered that I completely forgot to do the bingo board for today. So that's what we're gonna be doing. For our first pick of today, we got P4. Trade a paperclip to something Paris related. So that's gonna be a delight. It's gonna be wonderful. Alright. I'm so excited about that one. Let's look towards the future and see what our next poll will be. S4. Try some escargot. I've already done that one. I could put a marker on it. I could put a sticker on it.
Scrumptious. Cheers.
Welcome back. Alright. Let's get this right in the center. Boom! There we go. We now have another sticker on the board. We're getting closer and closer to a bingo. P2. Let's see what P2 is. Play hide and seek in the catacombs. Oh, dude. I've been wanting to go to the catacombs. That's like one of the few things I've wanted to do out here. I've seen so much about the catacombs. It looks so cool down there. But I've heard it's like a maze. So to play hide and seek in that's going to be kind of horrifying. I'm not going to lie.
So we're going to try my hand at making the croissants. All the instructions are in French. So I'm going to have a horrible time trying to figure out exactly what to do. But luckily, if you see right here, there's pictures. And I love pictures because it means I don't have to read. It's a very weird oven, but we got to turn it to 200. Hit OK. Hit OK. Thank you. And I think we just wait. All right. So while we wait for that to heat up, we're gonna actually make our croissants and shape them. They have a little thing at the top where I could just start peeling. It's not working at all. Oh, a bunch of just air came shooting out at me. What the hell? Oh, we've gotten something open. Oh, it's still coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I've got it open now. There we go. We now have it all laid out. Where are the instructions? Here they are. It's saying I have to unfold it, and then we cut it, and then I mold it into the shape. This needs to be further back. This is not a big enough cutting board. Okay, I see the line. I see where I'm supposed to cut it. You see how smooth this is? Oh, yes, sir. And we have this much left, which I don't think my pan can hold more than just 2. You wanna see what I'm working with? You got this, because we ain't got no like proper pan thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't cook. But this is what my croissants look like right now. And I think we just gotta, how do we roll it? Which way is it telling us to roll? It's from the long end to the short end. Okay. Just gonna. Ooh! Would you look at that? Perfect. That's perfect. That's beautiful. Okay. Now for the second one. Don't mind that it's on the counter. All right. You don't judge here. There we go. We now have my 2 croissants. You think I could probably fit all 4 on here? I'm just not sure how far to like separate them. I'll try it. I'll try all 4. Just gotta repeat the same process. You gotta unfold this. Just roll this one out. There we go. Look at that. This is perfect. So we now have all 4 ready to go. And hopefully they don't like start touching each other or anything. But the oven is almost done. So very, oh. Why's it yelling at me? Bye croissants. Okay, I'm gonna set a timer for, it said 6 to 7, I'm sorry. All right. Those are looking so good. About a minute. Oh, okay. And I didn't want you guys to see the rest, I guess. All right. So the time is now up. I'm gonna turn this off. Wait, I think I need to keep it on so I can open it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wow. Would you look at those? This looks so good. The other side still looks a little raw, but I mean, like, look at the top though. It looks so golden and crispy. Now that we made them, we get to try the croissants. So let's give it a shot. Very basic. I mean, you probably find better croissants out in the wild. For a first try, I'm not saying these are pretty good. I mean, I didn't add anything to it. Literally just out of the package right into the oven, but it's pretty good. All right, and as you guys just saw, we just baked ourselves a croissant. There we go. We got to complete another sticker on the bingo board. I think this is the one I'm gonna attempt next. I did some research finally, and I think I found some easy ones I could attempt.
So I've gathered 3 separate world records that I'm going to try attempting to beat. And obviously I don't have to beat any of them. I just have to attempt it. But I feel like doing 3 is just better than 1, so it's just more entertaining for you guys. For the first world record, most selfies taken in under 3 minutes. The record is currently 184 selfies in under 3 minutes. So that's a little under 1 selfie a second, which I feel like I could probably easily do. On this one's probably the easiest one of them all, which is why I'm attempting it first. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna set a timer for 3 minutes, 3 seconds, just because it'll give me 3 seconds to start this timer, open up my camera, and start taking the pictures. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right. All I gotta do is just spam the button. It's literally just how fast I can spam this button. You know, maybe get some good ones, you know? Maybe I could put some of these on my Tinder profile. Maybe some girls will actually like me. My hands are already starting to hurt. This is not a good sign. I'm switching fingers. Oh my goodness gracious. Actually, what if no. Oh my god, I could have lost time right there. I'm gonna hold it with one hand. Alright, that's enough dilly-dallying. We can't be too silly goofy here, you know. We're attempting a world record here, actually. I gotta be full serious, concentrating. Alright. Double fingering it. That's not better. What's your guys' better side? I definitely think my right side is my better side. Especially since I can't raise my left eyebrow. Hold on. I'm gonna try real quick. Easton or Toaster. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Alright, let's take a look at all of my photos I have taken. Alright, let's count it up real quick. After selecting them all, being able to see all the photos, we have a total of 224 photos, which technically means that I beat the world record. Not to brag or anything, but I now officially have a world record. Not officially, but in my heart, I officially have a world record. Well, that's crazy. So that's record number 1. The second record we're going to be attempting is fastest time to type the alphabet backwards on a mobile phone. And currently 4 seconds? Oh my god, I'm just now realizing it took 4 seconds. That's crazy. I'm gonna do 1 take and 1 take only. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, B, C, B, A. Boom! There we go, time. Alright, now I'm not sure how long that took, but I know for sure it was not 4 seconds, alright? And for the last world record I'm going to be attempting today, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, most push-ups with claps in 60 seconds. I could do a push-up normally, but I did try doing a push-up with the clap, and I cannot do that in general. So to even try attempting this is just ridiculous. The world record is 90 push-ups in 60 seconds. Like, how do you do that? It's literally 1.5 push-ups with claps a second. How do you manage it? No, it'd be more like this. I decided literally just now I'm gonna attempt this on the bed just so I don't fall face first into the ground, which I know will happen. I'm gonna give myself a minute 8 just for 8 seconds to prepare myself. Alright? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I clapped. I clapped that time. I actually did it. This sucks. No, this is. Wait, why am I stopped? I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. Get 1 at least. Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, how do you get 90? And there's the time. I don't think anyone is ever going to beat that record. Alright, now with that all done and a world record under my belt, we get to place another sticker on the bingo board. Alright, time to beat a world record.
has been completed. Whew, dude, we are getting so close. We need to go thrifting. We need to figure out what's under here. Then we can get this row done. We're getting so close to actually getting bingos. So I just looked up nearest tattoo places nearby, and the first one popped up. I decided to give it a call. Guy answered it, and I was asking if they do any walk-ins, and he's like, yeah, we do walk-ins. What time? I'm like, would within the hour work? Yeah, that's perfect. Come on in. So I think we're gonna go get our tattoo now. So it's gonna be me and my mom getting our tattoos. Yay! We're walking towards it right now. It's like an hour, not an hour, it's a mile out. We finally made it here. Nice one. Oh, there. Alright, so we just filled out our information, and we just got the price of it. It's gonna be $250 for mine and $150 for my mom's, and it's actually happening. I'm so excited.
This is here?
Yeah, right there works. Turning out
Really good.
yeah.
Let me see yours. Cute? Not cute. Cool.
We are just on a roll today for our bingo board. Got another sticker ready for another placement. Get a Paris related tattoo. Boom. It is done. And just for proof. Here we go. All right, ladies, what are we making today?
Today we're making cherry tomato. Don't say it. Pasta. Don't say it. With chicken and zucchini.
It's smelling divine in here. Oh yeah.
Is it?
No. No, I'm just playing. All right, ladies, how's the cooking going?
It's good. Good? Okay, that's good. Did you see my thank you note posted? He's so cute.
Hi, Elijah. Look at that. This gotta be so good. I will go for the salad. We got our dishes here, and here we go. So we get to our guests. Guests of honors tonight.
Ooh. I'm so excited. Ooh. I love it.
Yeah.
Is this like an Alfredo tomato type stuff? What is this?
Alright, so the time is 12 in the morning. It's been like 4 hours since we ate dinner, and we have to get up in 4 hours because we have a special surprise that I can't tell you guys about. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you want to see more of me, want to see the next vlogs I have coming out like tomorrow, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell if you want. I don't know, that's up to you. But good night to y'all, or good day, or whatever time it is. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.